Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. Today I want to play for you a very interesting piece. It's the staccato study Overture from the William Tell opera by Gioacchino Rossini. We are on page 24-25 of the John Thompson Thesis Piano Course Part 4. If you got up to this point, it means that you are really ready to play interesting music. This piece is super famous. I could say that even the Walls and the Stones know about it. It's been simplified for you by Thompson in a very nice way. Thompson is giving you two options to play these repeated notes. He's saying the first one, the top fingering, where you use 1-1-1, or here 2-2-2, will require the usual wrist staccato that we know. The bottom fingering, the bottom option, 3-2-1 for the same identical note, that is something that has to be done and learned. In classical music, repeated notes are always played using different fingers, but obviously there are cases where you can do this, but this is, let's say, very appreciated. Not because I want you to use now this way, 3-2-1 on the D, and same as 3-1 on the Bs, but just to mention that this is an option that you have to start taking into consideration. Since it is written in the book, I think that many students will try to read, even though it's a teacher's note. Thompson is saying the following piece may be played with either wrist or finger staccato. And here we are, this is the point. If wrist staccato is used, the repeated notes are played with the same finger, indeed the top one. Wrist staccato, where you simply articulate the wrist, same as we learned at the beginning of Thompson Part 3. If finger staccato is used, it calls for a change of finger on each note. Pay attention one second, here we are, I want to go straight to the point. If you have to apply this finger staccato and exchange of fingers, this is the way. From very slow, try. The wrist in theory should stay still, but it's a theory. This is theory. In practice, there is a little bit of move. It is normal, even though are the fingers the one articulating. So the articulation of the finger, when we are talking about and we are using the finger staccato, it obviously happen here. The knuckles, you see? The articulation is exactly here, where there is this joint. 3-2-1, 3-2-1, 3-2-1, 3-2-1, 3-2-1. From very slow to very fast. Here we are, this is the point. Thompson is also saying for full descriptions of the various staccato touches, finger, wrist and forearm, see John Thompson's Anon Studies. That's all you need to know regarding the different fingering. Choose one, stick to that one, then if you want to try the other one, you're more than welcome. Few words regarding the finger to be used for this passage, for example. Since you play this chord is D, F sharp and C, you might either play G and B with 2-1, do 1 here and then 3-5, or option number 2 could be 5-3-1 again and jump straight on here. Let's say the slur, the legato, will be determined by the top note. You hold it down for a little bit longer, and this way you have from the beginning the 3-5 also in the G and B, from the first G, B, G and B. All the other things should be quite easy and simple for you. You know what does it mean, simple staccato, related to crotchets. You know the meaning of the slurs and the dynamics. Now I will play for you at high speed using the first position, the top position, the one where I use the forearm staccato. I'm going to play it for you using the second position, where I use finger staccato and 3-2-1 on the same identical key. And this is also the William Tell Overture played using the second fingering, the finger staccato. Now I'm going to play it for you very slow. I believe that is not needed, the slow performance where I use the forearm staccato, because it's very simple. I'm going to use simply the second position, the second fingering, for this very slow performance where I use 3-2-1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and... I really hope it's enough, this performance and explanation for you. If you think that I didn't clarify something that is very important for you, feel free to comment. Also, I would appreciate this time if you let me know which one is the fingering that you have used. If the first or the second, the one with where is needed the wrist staccato or the finger staccato. Yeah, don't forget to comment and let me know how it's going. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel, thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.